Start recording the return of Richard.
What is up, everybody? This is the return of Richard. Let's go. Last time we left off, we didn't complete it. Manny isn't here for this video, but tomorrow we'll post another video. Complete all the maps. Let's not get butt-fucked this time.
Try. Wait, what? Very aggressive. I'm sorry. Your flashlight. We don't save your life.
I think it gets us faster too if we have our lights on.
Fuck is it?
Also, in the last video, you guys can tell that the voices you can't hear the voice very well, except for mine. And that's because I fucked up on the last video. But I fixed it.
Freaking recording is very aggressive today.
Not yet.
Oh, goody. Fuck me.
Yesterday, your guy was screaming. Wait, am I the lady? Hey, am I the lady? We have to be the same character.
I'm always the skull guy. Fuck is it, damn thing? Yep.
I'm going to stay here and get some sleep till I don't care anymore. It's all over.
This time we have to
There's 20 minutes.
We actually put this one in 2 parts if it takes 2.
Okay, so we will just continue this, but then we'll, like, you'll see.
Goes for
We found a submarine. On the recording. Right there. Don't know, but all we know is that he was a black security guard.
Tell the story of Richard, because yesterday.
Okay, to all of his subscribers, the story of Richard. Richard was a black security guard. You know, he wasn't very good at his job. So his boss was like, what to help with his job? Recordings. Made the recordings, people made fun of him, and they tried to for, you know, bullies. He did not like that very much, so he went on to had to hide back, and he's very, very mad. All we know about Richard.
Also, he fell in a tub of bleach.
Mom was he was butt fucked. Oh, no. No. His dad is
He was
Slender.
anally abused as a child.
His dad was Slenderman. His mom was Slenderman. This is the abomination that is Richard right now. Oh yeah, look over there. Look to your left.
You go by myself. Hey, there's a green
trying to tell you. I know. But it's fine. There. Told you to look at it. Yeah, look over there, look to the left. You'll see something floating. A dildo.
That's what I said in my video the first time. I played this game, that's what I said. I was recording it and I was like, China.
I'm not seeing Richard at all. Flashlights on. Maybe we don't see him. Okay, never mind. Go too fucking soon.
I actually like Richard. He's not grabbing me in the ass.
I actually seen what he actually looks like, so I was... Looks very... What the fuck is this thing? I hear it.
It's to the right, I have surround sound.
What the fuck is it? We have to go decide where we're right. Fucking yeah. There it is. I vote we get the fuck out of here because Richard, we're in the archives of Richard.
These are all his porn books.
Oh good god. All his porn magazines over there.
His gay porn magazine.
When he was a child. That's so fucked up. Wait, you look to the right, I'll look to the left. Do you see Richard? No, don't go that way. I told it just a look. Dude, we can't split up because if we split up, he can get us. That does not sound good.
It sounds sexy.
Man, they breathe.
She's taking a big shit. But yeah, did you know this is also a map on some?
Nope, that's not it. That's the big green.
Did you?
Oh, fuck me. It's okay. Run straight, and then run to the left.
Too cool for Richard.
Fucking Richard's too cool. I think they went in like a fucking circle. Very, very big. Richard, we don't want to hear you hyperventilating breathing.
There was a recorder past the green dildo. Just saying.
Wait, there was a recording over there? No, that was the green dildo. The green dildo makes that sound.
Oh, so you got to.
Yeah. We back in his porno room. God damn it.
Get some of
God.
these. He has them all on file. He's very
Brazzers. Yes, Brazzers. Yeah, he's very, very mad. He's very mad because we're looking at his... That's very, that is probably the creepiest thing I've ever seen because he was just in the shadows. You only saw his head, dude. He like faded out. That was the creepiest fucking thing I've ever seen. Richard, stop fading
He's like,
out.
yo, bitch is looking at my palm.
And, you know, he's literally just like stalking us. He's like, do you want some? Oh god.
Want yourself a magazine? I'm in it.
Free magazines for anyone who likes my post on Facebook. Just kidding. That's fucked up.
Slender tweets.
I bet you $5 that he will be right around this corner. Damn it. Oh, that's the green thing. I know the difference between them.
They sound exactly the same. They have the same soundtrack.
They don't. You can. At least I know the difference. That jump scared me. Holy shit. Yeah, he's like, fuck, he's gone. No, like, okay, no, look. Okay, look. He was right here. See, no, look, you could see him, like, right here through that fucking door. He was, like, right here staring at us from this door. What the do we get the fuck out of here?
Richard has a nice six-pack.
No. He is literally just, like, in the middle of the hallway saying, what you say about my six-pack, bitch? Richard. No. Okay, fine then. You look outside this fucking door and look down the hallway. I dare you, go ahead.
He's not gonna be there. Oh, shit,
You're like, what are you saying, bitch? Dude, Richard's not that aggressive today. Usually he's like always up our ass. Just like,
I think it was because Manny is there and he was wanting some fresh meat.
No. He used to be like when you're driving, you know, like there's always that one guy who's like, you know, like rear-ending you always, but yeah, he's like not touching you. He's like following it. He's on your ass. Oh my god, look at this fucking file. It's like period blood.
I always wonder these things. Makes no sense.
What the fuck is this? Holy, what the fuck? Dude, look at this shit. Look at this shit. What kind of sick fucking people are on this fucking place?
That guy's got a nice DSL. Stands for dick sucking lips.
You're a file. Oh, there it is.
Been running away for too long. Feels like it's going to
It's
burn.
like the most fucked up thing I've ever seen. Like, people these days, dude, they're fucked up. What was that?
These are Richard's.
Richard's brother. Maybe that's why he's mad. His brothers and family members are just beat.
Is my controller vibrating?
Stuck. Richard's very, very mad. Finding all this information out about him and his family. This is very bad for Richard.
Okay, it's right there.
Oh, dude, he's pissed as fuck. He's like, what is that, bitch?
I can hear him, bro.
Very, very angry, as I said. Finding out the truth about Richard. He does not want us to know about this information. Richard, it's okay.
Does it ever happen?
The ending is all the same. I don't want to spoil this for the subscribers unless you actually want to finish. For his subscribers, I do recommend playing the game for yourself. It is a very, very entertaining game.
Especially with your
Very
friends.
addicting. Yeah. Play, play with your good friends. Don't play with friends that you barely know because, you know, they will hit you and will watch you turn to stone. Play with people that you trust a little bit more. This game is based on trust. Don't you agree?
That's why I play with my gaming.
Community. Oh, speaking of which, for all of his subscribers, the NG is actually looking for new people, so if you want to join, just message me on the Xbox or, oh, fuck me. But yeah, just message me or Diethey on the Xbox, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Very angry. Richard, why are you so angry?
Why is he knocking down stuff? He's never done.
Okay, I literally just saw him teleport. Like, he was not there, and all of a sudden, I saw, like, his arm just appear out of fucking nowhere. I beat in the game. I was the only one, like, I was literally the only one from my friend list. We actually had a 4-man team. No. Wait. Fucking yellow, run.
Hey, we're about to hit the 15 minutes.
Okay. We have 5 more minutes and we'll have to split the rest up into 2.